Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to share with you guys my last exercise, and this is good for back fat. Not just back fats, also for booty, flabby arms, and legs. You can pose like this. Sit here. Ulit lang. You can pose like that. Ulitin mo lang siya guys. That is kanina pa kong exercise guys. Okay, I'll see you in my next tomorrow.